Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com, and I'm here with a card kit reveal and inspiration for our latest October card kit, and this one's called So Talkative. This is a super fun kit that I think you'll love. I'm going to start off with the 6x8 stamp set that comes in the kit. There are 18 sentiments in this set. There are large font messages that you can put on the outside of your card, and also smaller ones that you can mix and match or stamp them inside. To go with the stamp set, we're also including a 6x6 stencil, and this is called Talk Bubbles, and I'll show you how these match up with your stamps. Once you've chosen the greeting that you want to use, you can find the talk bubble that'll match, like the Hi Friend, or even one of the larger greetings that you might want to stamp inside or make it a focal point for the outside of your card. And remember, since it's a stencil, you can flip it one way or the other to change the direction of your bubble. To go with your stencil, we're also including the Simon Says Stamp large teal blending brush, and these come with a little plastic cap that you can remove and replace when you're done doing your blending. You'll also receive the Simon Says Stamp Friend Outline die, so it cuts out the little outlines and also the letters individually. We have a new embossing folder that's being released with this kit, and this is called Kaleidoscope. It's an absolutely gorgeous, deep-edged embossing folder. This is designed at exactly 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and to use this, you'll just slide your paper inside and match it up, and then you can run that through your die cut machine with the suggested sandwich. We're also including 3 fall-themed watercolor cards from Susie Plantamera that have pumpkins and squash, a fox within a wreath, and also some fall leaves, all to celebrate the coming of autumn. Also in this kit is something very special. You will get 32 of our Cardstock Colors, and these are pre-cut into card fronts, so they're all 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. 32 beautiful, brilliant colors. And these will fit perfectly into your embossing folder without the need of cutting or trimming. We're also including 3 envelopes, so you get metallic orange peel, a beautiful holographic envelope, and also a blue-violet envelope. The blue-violet and also the metallic orange peel have the peel-away adhesive, so there's no lick it to stick it, and then the holographic has a standard closure. We're including 3 cardstocks for you. This first one is a holographic lava cardstock, and it's absolutely gorgeous, so depending on how the light hits it, you'll get different colors of the rainbow. And you'll also receive 2 sheets of 110-pound Nina White cardstock. And to finish this card kit out, you'll also receive our Simon Says Stamp mesh zipper bag, which is designed to fit the entire contents of your kit. So all your 8 1/2 by 11 papers will fit inside, and then you can stack all of the rest of the contents in to keep everything together. And up next, I have some inspiration for you from our designers. Callie Pearson white embossed several of the messages for her background and then did some blending, and then highlighted Hi Friend in the center of her card using the stencil. Cindy Norberg's card features a portion of the watercolor cards where she cut out the wreath and painted. Then she used the sentiments and also the friend die. I used the card fronts with a die, and I was able to get 2 cards from one by stacking them differently, and I also used the embossing folder on both. And finally, Susie Plantamera used a portion of her autumn-themed watercolor card where she cut it out and added it to an inked embossed piece and added a message. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration of our card kit for October 2021, So Talkative. Be sure to check out our blog for many more samples, and as always, thanks so much for watching.